and James said I should go there. When I got to Oka, I had to branch at our office in Oka. So I'm here today, and it's great to be here. I came back this morning because of you, because of us, everybody. So this is to say that it is very important that if it is not a serious business, I will not need to be here this morning. So I want to say a big thank you for coming, and don't be discouraged about the number. Because where money is to be made, where something important is happening, where giants are, you don't find boss there. So for you to be here, it is part of the giant spirit that goes. So yes, this is P1 Business Opportunity Expo, PBO. I joined this organization fully last year, July 14th.